This is how we assemble a protein after we synthesize polypeptide chains. Sometimes one polypeptide chain can make a functional protein. However, often we have multiple polypeptides linked together to give a functional protein, which means we have to transcribe and translate each polypeptide chain on its own, and then they all have to come together. So the polypeptide on its own, just the string of amino acids, is called the primary structure of the proteins. It is the sequence of the amino acids. The polypeptide is then coiled or folded to produce the secondary structure of the protein, and then this secondary structure is folded again to produce the tertiary structure of the protein, and then we have all of these tertiary structures. Every polypeptide chain that is folded into a tertiary structure comes together, they all come together, along with possibly other groups, non-protein groups, like for example minerals. All of them come together to form the quaternary structure of the protein, which is the final functional three-dimensional structure of the protein.